one, so we can get it.
Just one more.
No, you gotta do it twice.
Wait, why are you doing it again?
They went on tape.
That was excellent. Very nice.
She's gone.
Hurry up.
Answer, come on.
Or answer.
No. What was the answer? What was the question? Just read it, say it out loud.
Really?
Yeah.
She told me how many times have I touched my twinkle?
Well, how about we just do it?
Answer it.
No.
Answer it.
Do a dare. Do a dare.
What did he say? I missed it.
Every time he goes to the bathroom.
Your slave for a day, who would it be? This is a very simple choice. Rock.
Oh, beautiful to me. Your big brown eyes and mustache thing. Your armpit hair, brown teeth. Your big ears and short hair.
I think he's about done, right?
What?
Yeah.
I want to ride you like you ride the boat. Devin married me.
Randomly act frantic like you're on fire. I'm dead like that.
Do it.
Mo, a dragon is breathed fire all over you. What do you do?
I'm on fire!
I thought you had to drop a roll. Stop, drop a roll. He's like,
How'd that go?
do it again.
Do it again, Kay.
Now we need something for Dewey.
Oh, that is your rat face. Oh my gosh.
Only you guys can't see it.
I just did.